Sail from Digitive channel. At first, please subscribe our channel. In this video, I wanna introduce CSS and how to use CSS in HTML. What is CSS? Okay, think a website is a human, the HTML is the skeleton, and CSS is the skin, and JavaScript is the brains. This is the very good explanation for what is CSS and what is HTML and what is JavaScript. I think you get what is CSS and what is do. It's make our website a style, and we can add a style to our HTML elements. By default, you know HTML elements don't have a style and don't have any good view or nothing. Let's go talk about CSS. Guys, for use CSS and HTML, we have three ways: inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS. The best way to use CSS in HTML is external CSS, and the worst way for use CSS is inline CSS. Inline CSS is not good for your SEO and your template or clean code. Now I want to talk about inline CSS, the worst way. Think we have a division and we have an H1 in our division, orange color. For use CSS inline, it's easy. You add an attribute to your element, which call it styles. It's equals to your CSS you want to append to your elements. For example, I wanna make my div with 80% width equals 80%. And now I wanna add a display flex to my div and a border. What is border? This is border for your element. The first input is size of your border. I said 1 pixel, and type of my border is solid, and my border color, I want to add gray color to my border. Let's go see the result. Okay guys, we have a division with 80% width and a gray border with 1 pixel size, and now we have orange color. Again, I want to use inline CSS for my orange color. Style and color. You see guys, CSS is very easy. You can write color and set, for example, orange. Our font color will be orange. This is inline CSS. This is very easy, but this is not good. Okay guys, the next way to use CSS is internal CSS. You should write a tag in your head, not header in body, your main head. A style, open a style, and now you can write your CSS. For the first, I don't want to talk about selectors in CSS right now because it's just this lesson about how to use CSS. I think we have a division, open brace and close brace, and now you can write your CSS. Width is 80% and display flex and border 1 pixel solid gray. And now we have H1. Now I want to add a color orange to my H1. Let's see the result. Did you see guys? The result is the same with our last way we trying. Okay guys, the last way and the best way and standard way is to make a CSS file and link your CSS file to your HTML document. Let's add a folder, styles, and add a file main.css. Let's write div equals width Okay guys, now we have a CSS, same with our past CSS, but let's check it. Our CSS is not applied to our elements because we didn't link my CSS to my file. Again, in head tag, you should use a tag which call it link. Link, the link rel equals to a style sheet, and href is equals to a style and css. Link your css files. Now you can see the result is the same, and this is the best way to use css in html. The next lesson is about how to select your elements in css and how to make styles to them. This lesson is finished. This is introduce how to use css and introduce css, and I wish the good moments for you and goodbye.